Hello everyone, welcome to Uninstall Helper. In today's video I would like to show you how you can remove Eclipse from your Windows 10 computers. But before we do that, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons if you like this kind of content and if this video is able to help you. Also, please leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you have any requests for future videos. In this uninstallation guide we will have to go through a couple of steps and tasks, so for easier navigation I'm going to leave timestamps below. And with that out of the way, let's start. So it is important to state that Eclipse is not installed on your computer like your typical program. Instead, after the installation, a folder is created on your hard drive and Eclipse is running from there. So what you have to do is remove a couple of folders and a couple of shortcuts from your system. And this is what we're going to do now. First step or first task is to delete the installation folder. So what you do is you click on the start button and go to all programs. Notice I have here something else because I'm in Austria and I'm running a German computer. Then you look for the Eclipse folder, open it, and then you see here Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on it with the right mouse button. And from the context menu, select Properties. In here, look for and click on Open File Location button. And now you manage to open folder where Eclipse is installed. You can see this is my Windows username. So click on your username here to get to the main user menu. What we are looking for here is the Eclipse folder. What you do is now you click on it with your right mouse button. And from the context menu, select Delete. There is also another folder here that we have to delete. It's called P2 or .p2 I should say. We have to delete this one as well. So right click on it and select Delete. And we also have a .eclipse folder which we also have to delete. Okay, so now we deleted the main program. We have still some shortcuts that have to be deleted. So what you can do is you go to your desktop and delete the shortcut from the desktop. Right click on it again and click Delete. Another shortcut we have to delete is in the Start menu. So you go to Start, All Programs, and find the Eclipse folder that we found before and click on it with the right mouse button, and from the context menu select Delete. As a last step, what you have to do is empty your recycle bin. So locate your recycle bin on your desktop, click on it with your right mouse button and select Empty Recycle Bin from the context menu. Confirm this question. If you want to delete multiple items, click Yes. You will see now this process to go through. It's a couple of thousand of items from this Eclipse deletion. Your recycle bin is now empty and we are done. So it is very straightforward and simple process. You just have to know where to look for these files and folders that needs to be deleted. Please consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button if you like this kind of content. Also leave a comment below if this video was able to help you or if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.